Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be looking at the command using which we can scan for UDP ports. Now let me tell you that as we know that there are 65,535 TCP ports, there are same number of UDP ports too, and we can use Nmap to scan those ports. So let me show you the command using which we can send a command to scan the UDP ports. So type out this command, that is nmap space minus sign small s capital U and the target IP. Now usually UDP scan takes too much time and it is a very slow scanning process. So I have already scanned this IP and I have got the results, and let me show you the results here. So this is the result for the UDP scan. I have scanned for the same IP, and you can see that it took around 1075 seconds. Okay, and using the UDP scan, we got this result which display the open ports and also display that these ports are filtered or not. Using UDP, sometimes usually UDP gets blocked by the firewalls, but who knows, if we are lucky, then it got hitted to the host and we got the juicy informations. So this was the command to command which can be used in Nmap to scan for the UDP ports.